What's up, KZ fam? How you doing? This is Zion's Corner, and it's pretty much doing water guns. So this is how. So you have to pump it up. See this trigger right here, and go fire in the hole. And Eddie's over here trying to squirt. I don't know what he's trying to do. He might squirt me. He might not. You're not. Alright guys, so pretty much we're about to do.
If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified for our new videos.
That's a lot of cover.
It's terrible.
Yeah, that was kind of racist. Stop putting it on me. You said you were gonna delete it.
I will. I'm gonna delete that part. All right, look. Oh wait. Abort. Don't.
With 2 hands. That was so amazing. Subscribe if you are new, and turn the notification bell, and give this a huge, I say, huge thumbs up. And we will see you maybe tomorrow or
And
more
like
days.
the video so I can get paid.
Be quiet. I'm getting paid. And we will see you later.